YouTube, Lucas Bentley here, and I must say, oh God, not again. Oh. Okay, I'm good. I'm doing burping video again. Sparta. So anyway, burping 32, I believe. I have several new people who subscribed. One's name is Flash. He had some pretty good comments for me. Someone told me to teach you guys how to burp. I can't remember which video it was, but I've done that. But I will do it again in this episode. Now, I'm going to say something now. This is usually a gift that this is really not a thing that you can really learn. It's something that it just comes to you. It's not a thing to learn. It's something that just comes to you. But, I will try to teach you when I stop farting. Shut up, butthole. So, I think oh, it's just my phone. Sounds real, doesn't it? Yeah, some of them sound real. Anyway. What's it? I'm gonna say. Okay, there was also a person who said I should do some pull-up videos. I can do 20. And it's not easy. Okay, let's get back on track here. So anyway, burping, how to do it. Like I said, it's something that just comes to you naturally. I just discovered I could do it one day, so that's how it happened to me. I just discovered I could do it. So you swallow a whole bunch of. Hold on. This is better. Oh yeah, that's better. You swallow a bunch of air. It might take a while for beginners. Swallow a bunch of air. And when you do that, and your stomach starts feeling full, open your mouth and make a bleh sound like you make a push out real hard, but open your mouth real wide, like and push at the same time. Not very hard on a push when you're a beginner, but that should release a burp sound. So if you're good like me, it took me a long time. Okay, let's get on with the burping video. Oh, damn, that was a good one. Shit. Let's try that again and we'll burp me. Shit. Oh, and for my friend PB Gear out there. Hold on. What's up, baby Gear? He likes it when I burp his name. If you guys haven't seen any of the videos where I try to tell you that, Ooh. Chuckles the ass line, just burped out his mouth. Oh man, that failed. But it was still pretty okay. It was okay, I guess. I have a secret. Come here. The secret is. The secret ingredient to burping is. Hold on, I'm gonna check. No one's walking. The secret ingredient to burping is. That. I'm not sure if that was funny for any of you or not. I just wanted to do that for fun. Darn it. Pull-ups. 1, 2, 3. That hurts my hands because it's not round. Let's try that again, shall we? Okay, most people think this is cool when they put it backwards like that. Truth is, makes them look stupid. Makes them look bald, and that's how. And I gotta restock. Just give me a sec. Hold on. There's a lot there. Okay, guys. While I'm doing this, stay tuned for some music, okay? It'll give me a lot of time to swallow air, okay? Still swallowing air. Give me a sec. Okay. One more burp, guys. Okay. I gotta make it a good one for you guys, alright? Air is the key to burps. And then the control of the. Okay, that wasn't really good. Okay, let's try this one more time. Okay, I'm out of juice. Alright, here we go. That was a great ending. Okay, guys, if you like this video, you can leave comments at the bottom. You can rate it if you liked it, and please subscribe. Peace out.